today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and receive NFTs on Phantom Wallet. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital collectibles on the Solana network, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Phantom Wallet. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. It's crucial to ensure you're logged in to access all the features we'll be talking about today. Once you're logged in, you should land on your home page. This is your hub where you can see your balance, all the tokens you hold, and the range of features available to you, such as receiving, sending, swapping, and buying cryptocurrencies. Now, let's focus on your wallet's collectibles. This is where your NFTs are stored. You'll want to look for the section labeled Collectibles, and all it takes is a click to access it. Once you're there, you'll also find a Send button. Click on that to begin the process of sending an NFT. Next, you'll need the Solana wallet address to which you want to send your NFT. It's crucial to paste this address carefully. A simple mistake in this address could lead to your NFT being sent to the wrong destination, and that might not be recoverable. Once you've pasted the correct address, you'll need to enter the amount. This could mean the specific quantity of that NFT type, if applicable. Before you finalize the transaction, it's important to double-check that you have sufficient funds in Solana to cover the transaction fees. These fees are generally quite low on the Solana network, but it's always a good habit to ensure your account can handle it. On the flip side, if you're looking to receive an NFT, the process is quite straightforward as well. From your homepage, simply click on the Receive button. This will prompt you to select the cryptocurrency network. In our case, you'll want to choose Solana. Once you've done that, the wallet will display your Solana address. Copy this address and provide it to the person or marketplace sending you the NFT. Double-check that the address has been copied correctly to avoid any mishaps with your incoming NFT. By following these steps closely, you'll ensure that your NFTs are securely sent and received using Phantom Wallet, making your digital asset management a seamless experience. Keep exploring the exciting world of blockchain and NFTs. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.